For those unwilling to accept convention or settle for the status quo, there's a compact luxury SUV that reflects what drives you. Equipped with a turbocharged engine, an available F-Sport package that provides an elevated stance, aggressive design cues, and customizable drive modes. An available hybrid model boasts instant torque, superior fuel efficiency, and unparalleled performance with newly designed suspension for a premium driving experience. This is the bravely redesigned Lexus NX. The imposing exterior of the next-generation Lexus NX showcases brave, purposeful design. Enhanced aerodynamics improve stability and handling and help to reduce cabin noise, while its bold lines have been further accentuated for both gas and hybrid models. Available all-new layered triple-beam LED headlamps derived from the LC500 Sports Coupe offer increased nighttime visibility and striking design cues, including beautifully styled high-output projectors. The NX was meticulously refined to offer an abundance of options to suit your every need. Outside, an available kick sensor tailgate lets you access the rear cargo hold when your hands are full. And all-new 18-inch alloy wheel designs improve aesthetic appeal and handling. Inside, the NX's beautiful interior is offered in 4 distinct color options. Its premium upgraded cabin, designed with unparalleled Takumi craftsmanship, provides a thoughtful layout, including luxurious ambience for 5 adults and an intuitive driver-focused cockpit. The new remote touch interface, larger intelligent touchpad, reshaped palm rest for added comfort, and optional 10.3-inch display make navigating the NX's suite of display audio features an intuitive experience. The NX now comes standard with LSS Plus technology, offering dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and an adaptive front lighting system with automatic high beams that improve visibility by adjusting the projection of light to illuminate the road ahead, so you're sure to be as safe in your new NX as you are comfortable. A segment-leading, enhanced multimedia system offers an optional 10.3-inch display audio screen, including N-Form connected vehicle technology with App Suite 2.0 and Destination Assist. Also included is Lexus Safety Connect, which provides enhanced roadside and emergency assistance, including automatic collision notification and stolen vehicle locator. Even on vehicles not equipped with Lexus navigation, N-Form will guide you via the Scout GPS Link app, which connects your smartphone to your Lexus display audio for step-by-step directions that will always keep you moving forward. The NX's standard all-wheel drive adjusts and directs power independently to all 4 wheels for enhanced traction on dry or icy roads. A cornering control function adjusts the front and rear driving force to compensate for understeer or oversteer. And its twin-scroll turbo engine produces an impressive yet fuel-efficient 235 horsepower. The NX Hybrid offers similar levels of performance with the assistance of a powerful electric motor for smooth and progressive acceleration in both city and highway driving situations, all of which help provide absolute control under any and all conditions. With its aggressive styling, luxurious interior, and array of standard safety features and driving technologies, it's time to reflect what drives you in the boldly redesigned Lexus NX.
The Lexus NX. The bold crossover for people who stand out in the city, with radical lines and imaginative design ideas. There's technology to make it easy to live your life. And a welcoming interior that anticipates every need and lets you drive in absolute comfort. The creation of the NX has been overseen by master craftspeople, Takumi, Their care evident in every detail, with a level of artistry that has never before been seen in this kind of crossover. In the NX, you navigate with ease, intuitively. Comfortable. The NX comes with Lexus Safety System Plus, a package of measures which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Four cameras give you a view right around the car for safer and more convenient maneuvering. Everything you need, exactly where you need it, down to the smallest details. Lexus Hybrid Drive orchestrates power from a petrol engine and electric motors to give you lively performance and outstanding fuel consumption. Incredibly smooth and quiet, the NX is as easy to drive as a conventional luxury car, and no need to plug in to recharge. Choose EV mode to drive at lower speeds using just electric power, and your progress is near silent and emissions-free. For a more relaxing drive, Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a set distance between the NX and the vehicle ahead. And should the NX start drifting out of lane, Lane Keeping Assist sounds a warning buzzer and gives brief corrective steering input. In and out of the city, driving the NX is an experience to look forward to. Combining agility with world-class Lexus refinement and smoothness. Drive Mode Select lets you fine-tune the performance of the NX to suit your mood. Great aerodynamics enhance stability, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce wind noise. Changing lanes is safer with a system that monitors adjacent lanes to detect vehicles that are not visible in the door mirrors. For added convenience, there's a system that recognizes road signs and shows them in the multi-information display. The NX is smooth and refined to drive, thanks to a sophisticated chassis, suspension and steering. Reassuringly stable at speed, the NX corners like a sedan with excellent road handling. Adaptive variable suspension independently controls the damping force on all four wheels for a more comfortable ride and improved handling stability. When you're driving at night, the adaptive high beam system precisely controls light output for a safer drive. And there's a head-up display to help you keep your eyes on the road. The Lexus NX. Bold and distinctive on the outside, imaginative and luxurious within.